In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up pen pressure for a calligraphic brush in Adobe Illustrator. If you're using a graphics tablet, pen pressure is what makes your lines feel alive. Thin when you sketch lightly, thicker when you press harder. Let's get that working end to end. First, connect your graphics tablet and install its driver software so your computer recognizes pressure sensitivity properly. Most tablets include a small utility where you can test the pen. Make a few strokes there to confirm that pressing harder produces a thicker line. If it doesn't, update the driver, reconnect the tablet, and try again before moving into Illustrator. Now launch Adobe Illustrator, open or create a document, and select the brush tool by pressing the B key. This will be the tool you'll use to draw once your pressure-enabled brush is set up. Next, we need the Brushes panel. Go to the Window menu and choose Brushes to bring it up. In the panel, click the new brush icon, the little plus button. Illustrator will ask what type of brush you want to create. Choose calligraphic brush and click OK. A calligraphic brush is perfect for pressure-based line weight because it uses a round or elliptical tip that responds beautifully to pen input. In the brush options window, look for size. Next to it, change the drop-down to pressure. This tells Illustrator to link the brush's thickness to how hard you press the pen. You'll see a variation control. This determines how much the stroke thickness changes from your lightest to your heaviest touch. Start with a moderate value so you have noticeable but controllable change, and adjust based on your drawing style. If you prefer subtle tapering lines, keep variation lower. For bold, expressive strokes, push it higher. You can leave angle and roundness as they are if your main goal is to control thickness with pressure. Click OK to save your brush. You'll now see it added to the Brushes panel, ready to use in any stroke. With the brush tool still active, select your new calligraphic brush and begin drawing on the artboard. As you sketch, you should see your lines respond immediately. Gentle pressure gives a hairline, firmer pressure creates a fuller stroke. If pressure doesn't seem to work, confirm that your new brush is selected, your tablet is still connected, and your driver is active. Sometimes a quick Illustrator restart after installing drivers helps. You can always double-click the brush in the panel to fine-tune the variation until it feels just right. That's it, your pressure-sensitive calligraphic brush is ready to bring your Illustrator strokes to life.